Aquarius, my air babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page been a blessing to you. Check out my link tree. Link is in the bio. I do have a few good treats there for you. Your word of the day is one step at a time. I'm dedicated to not stopping right now. You may be in a whirlwind, you might be in a tornado, but I don't want you to be caught up in that emotion and caught up in your situation where you stick there and stand there for years, months, at times. I want you to keep on moving. Pick up your bag. We bend, but we do not break. Take your luggage, pick your bag up, and keep on walking down this path and keep on building, keep on moving towards your higher self. You're almost there. It always gets harder when you get closer to your breakthrough. I see the mountain ahead and I'm dedicate myself to taking one step at a time. I make progress by staying focused on the present moment, the current task, and I regain my ease of living no matter what. If you take one day at a time, 1 hour at a time, 1 minute at a time, or 1 second at a time, continue to move forward every single day. Love one another, be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.